Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today I'm going to show you an easy tool to use to help you define your beds, making it a lot easier on you, especially in this hot sun during the summer. So stick around and we'll be right back. So about once or twice a year, I always need to redefine my beds. And usually I'll do it with like a shovel or something like that. But after a while, that becomes a little bit of a pain in the butt. So I have this new tool from Stihl. I want to review that and just let you see how easy it is to just make this trench all over again. So as you can see right through here, it's starting to fill back up. I just did this I redid it back in April, and now it's end of June. And you see it's starting to get a little bit more grass in it, and it's starting to, not look as defined as it once was. So what I'm going to do is just fire this tool up, and it's called a bed definer. We're just going to start just edging this bed back out and make it look nice and crisp and get away from the awkwardness of it. Right now it's just a little wobbly looking. It's not as crisp as it can be. So, all right guys, so this is called the FB131. It's a bed definer from Stihl. And you can see these blades on here. All they do is spin at a fast pace. And when it does that, it just turns the dirt up and redefines that bed. Always have some type of eye protection and ear protection, because it is pretty loud and throws dirt back in your face. That was my neighbor. So what you want to do first is you want to lay it down into the area that you want to find or make that bed. So if you're going to make a brand new bed, already have it drawn out, okay, with paint or something like that. And then you just follow the line with this and it makes it perfect. So you're not going to go forward with it, you're going to pull. When you pull, that's when it eats up the dirt and makes that bed a lot better. So as you can see, right down through here, that the bed looks a lot cleaner. We did have a lot of pine straw in there, So it did clean that out really, really nice. And you can just see how much cleaner that bed looks now. Now you can see that the curves in it a lot better than you did. Look at it down through here. So to me, that's better than digging. I think it does a fantastic job. And again, Stihl makes some great products. If it's been a little bit since you've made that edge in there, you may have to go over it twice. But since I did it a couple months ago, I just wanted to freshen it up and make it look a little bit better. So again, if you want to use this on brand new curves, as long as you have it drawn out first and have it some type of paint on it where you can follow that line, that works really well. All right, guys, so that's my review of the Stihl FB131. It's a bed redefiner, and hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you out. We'll see you next time.